so hard. Help me. Konnichiwa. It's open. Yo. Uish. Uish. Mayon gabi. Si Yuki ni. I'm going to drink coconut but can't open. How can I open this one? Unsa on. Mo open ana. Pistinha wa. How to open this one? Oh, oh, scary. This is so hard. This is so hard. Anyway, cut it out. So hard. Help me. Use bigger and heavy knife. I don't have that. That's illegal in Japan. Should I use katana? Wanna drink? Try the other side. This side. Really? The other side? Did you just murder the coconut? Yes. Murder. This is so hard. I just murdered. I can do it. Hayamoyan. Yeah. Open. Oi. It's so hard. What's this? Am I right? I'm going to drink boku juice. I'm samurai. Mother, this is kitchen knife. I only have a kitchen knife, or I have a sashimi knife. Is this fine? I don't think this is fine. Sashimi knife works well. This is so sharp. Oh, this works well. Oh, wow, konnichiwa. Oh, looks being open. Maybe I can do it. By the way, gamay kayo coconut. I got this one because this was big, but gamay na coconut. Okay, it's coming. This is so shiny. So sharp. I found the hole. Yeah. Yatta! Finally. So this is so messy. So hello. Mother. Come on. Oh, it's coming. Amazing. Go, Yuki. Oi. This is so messy. Oh, it's coming. Oh, okay. Rami, oi. I wanna eat inside. It came a lot. Let's open it. This is so hard. Yeah, this is difficult to open. I learned how to open it. I was opening this side at the first, but this is so hard, so I should open this side. Okay. Probably so open. Oh, yeah. Oh, almost there. I can see it. Can I open? Yo! Tapira ang bottom diha Yuki. 350 yen. 350 yen. So, this is around 150 pesos. Isa ka coconut. It will not open. Use a hammer. Mariska, you're a genius. Hammer, okay. Come on, my hammer. But this is a rubber hammer. Okay. Come on. I should use a metal hammer. It's so bug open. Minus driver. Okay. Minus driver ね。よし。よいしょ。よいしょ。 He's succeeded to open. Yo. Yo. Not yet. Shh. Gonna open. I didn't expect this works. Amazing. Okay, I can see it almost there. It's amazing. It's open finally. Let's wash it. Okay. Finally, macaron coconut. Yeah, finally I open it. What should I use? What do you think is delicious? What do you think it's good to eat with coconut? Ah, I have syrup. 0 calorie sugar. I have soy milk. How about soy milk? Okay. Macaron ta. Whoosh. This is hard. And syrup. Okay. Looks like ice cream. Syrup. Please. Okay. This is hard. Whoosh. Itadakimasu. Sanao. Oh, yummy. So delicious. Masala pistin oil. This was so hard, so more delicious. This is convenient. Okay, nice. I'm so happy. You are half Filipino. Do you think I'm half Filipino? Do I look like a Filipino? Why? Manakon. And I have to clean the sink. It's messy. Okay, salamat sa pagkatapos sa akong live. See you next time. Bye.